has a tremendous power on the platform that she can use to just pull people into life and enjoying life.
Annie is amazing because whenever Annie talks, everyone around her lights up, and that is a wonderful gift.
She'll fire you up and she'll make you see that there's light in the world, and it's a beautiful thing.
Annie has an energy that you don't see in most people. She lives what she talks about. She's an example of courage and empathy and compassion.
Annie has a way of connecting with people, achieved such success and been such an exceptional person herself. It's kind of the person who's walked that talk, and now she's sharing like the blueprint on how to do that.
And Annie was telling her story, and she looks you right in the eye, and she gets you right in the soul. You should hear her speak, because she speaks very fluently, and you come away learning something about yourself, or gives you thoughts for the future.
Oh, she's great as a speaker. I love her energy. She's high energy. She just makes you smile.
She's great, a wonderful speaker. I love what her message was and her energy and everything about her. I think everybody else loved it.
She's amazing. Her story is amazing.
She was just absolutely fabulous.
I think she's great. I've never heard her speak before. I can't wait to get the book.
I think she's fantastic. Love the authenticity, love her spirit, love her style.
We think she's awesome. She's a very inspiring speaker. It comes from the heart and from experience, and she can really enlighten other people's lives.
She was amazing. She's amazing.
Great.
Amazing. Wow.
Very moving.
She's just amazing. She's amazing. Very good. Very good. How inspired were you?
She's inspiring. She's great. We loved it. It was really, really cool.
I loved her authenticity. I loved her vulnerability.
The speech was really moving. I love Annie. She is the best. She's exceptional.
I thought she was awesome. I have never met her before, and she was awesome. Amazing friends that she has. They'll be inspired by her, and just enjoy your life as much as you can for the time you have.
She makes people be their best, and beyond that, she makes people laugh, and I appreciate that.
Medical, nurses, recovery, but people.
Everyone will benefit by listening to her because everyone has been through things that have stuck on them. And it is rising above that, figuring out what those problems were, how they occurred, practicing forgiveness, and then moving on and growing. Everyone needs that. Everyone needs that.
Everybody should listen to her, but anybody who's going through a struggle, anybody who has pain, anybody who can't get unstuck, anybody who needs to move to that next level.
Everyone has issues and stories to be heard and told and to learn from.
Anybody should. I mean, it has a little something for everybody in there.
Anybody that wants to go to the next level, to be their best person, to be motivated.
Annie is about what's the impact and how you can go forward, and she's got the power to do that.
Energized, hopeful.
If you meet Annie, she's smiling all the time.
Can't thank Annie enough for sharing her life story.
Everyone,
Every person that has some kind of struggle.
because we all do, right?
Yes.
Incredible woman.